Welcome to VIH Q&A session where I'm going to answer all your questions which is related to cybersecurity or even in the tech industry, right? So let's get started with our questions. Kali Linux is widely used for ethical hackers and pentesters, but can Kali Linux be compromised? If yes, what are the most common way attack target pentesters? See, basically, Kali Linux is a open source at first. That is a open source distribution. Main distribution is Debian. So I highly recommend if a person wants to learn about cybersecurity, wants to learn about Linux, they first needs to install a operating system which should not much stable. I prefer Debian at first, which is Kali Linux and Parrot OS is one of the part, right? And I recommend you to install a unstable version because that is going to teach you a lot of things. And as far as your question is concerned, Kali is widely used for ethical hacker. That is open source, right? So probably hacker is not going to attack Kali Linux and Parrot OS because that is open source. They are not going to get something, right? They might attack on the server from where the updates are getting fetched, right? But again, that is not going to give any benefits. So probably if a system is open source, then that might not get a lot of attack from the cybersecurity, from the from the hackers actually. And probably when we see the attacks in the recent time, that might be related to kernel attacks, okay, which is mainly on the main system like Debian. Okay, you might see like Kali Linux is a kind of a layer on the top of Debian, right? And inside Kali Linux, we have multiple desktop environment, which is like in our time we were using uh, XMate or something. It was there, right? And KD Plasma was I was using at that time, but that was so bulky in Linux. In Paradox I is using Mate, right? So that is basically usually the open source application doesn't get a lot of attacks, but yes, uh, mostly they get a kernel attacks, right? And kernel attacks is basically when they got, then probably like if there is any attack or something, then probably security folks are always looking for the loopholes in the operating system. In the community, you can join Kali Linux on the Kali Linux Paradox community on Discord, right? And you can see people are always discussing if they found something and they are going to roll out the updates, right? So probably updates are rolling out very quickly, right? And yeah, that's what we have.